Sophie. Have you ever read a book about a dog named Biscuit? Well, I have. And today, me and my mom are going to try to draw him. We'll see how it turns out. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. First, let's draw Biscuit's head.
Okay.
So in the middle of our paper, we're going to draw a curved line for the top of his head.
Okay.
Like that. And then leaving some space in between, we're going to draw a squiggly line that goes down. And then here we're going to draw a bump that goes in. Kind of like a C. Or a U. Or a smiley face. Now let's continue. And then here we're going to connect to the bump another bump. And then curve in a little bit, but not too much. We don't want the head to look like a squashed.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to curve back into shape.
Back to shape.
Yeah, leaving space in between.
Okay.
Okay. And then here we're going to draw a curved line to fix up the mouth.
Okay.
Here we're going to draw the ear. First we're going to draw a spike.
Oh, okay.
We're only drawing spikes on the ear to make it look like hair sticking out.
Oh.
You can put it in any direction. And then on this one, this part, we're going to poof and curve out.
Okay.
Poof. Kind of like a C, but not quite.
Okay.
You could draw this one a tiny bit longer.
Okay.
And then here, we're going to draw another line poofing out. And then hooking up and connecting back into the head. There, you did it! And then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add all the poofs and twists, but the way it is not exactly the same as this one.
Okay.
So this time we're going to poof up, like an upside down U, and then poof to the side, and then come in, and then hook, and then curve back into the cheek.
Ooh. Okay. Can you repeat again?
Okay, so here we're going to poof upward and go in like a roller coaster ride, and then go to the side like really long, and then curl up, pointy, and then curl back into the cheek. Great! There. Kind of looks like a pigtail. Yeah. Okay. Now we can draw the face. Here we're going to draw the nose. We're going to draw a curved line here.
Okay.
And then above it, another curved line. And then poof, 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 poof. Just like a strange sort of shape. Not exactly a shape, really. Just going in, out.
Okay.
Kind of looks like a square in your nose. It's okay. Start. It's okay. And then here we're going to draw a highlight for the nose. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Okay. Now we can draw the eyes. Here we're going to draw an oval.
Oval.
And on the other side we're going to draw an oval too.
Okay.
And then we're going to highlight.
Oh.
You can, and then you shade in the rest. But my eyes are pretty small, so I'm not going to shade in the rest.
Okay.
Okay. Your eyes are great.
Thank you.
Although this highlight is bigger than this one. Maybe the sun is just right on this line. Okay, let's get back on focus. Here, we're going to draw Biscuit's collar. From this part of the ear, we're going to curl all the way up here.
Okay, all the way up here.
And then we're going to draw the thickness by drawing another line next to it without many space in between.
Okay.
And then here, we're going to draw another line. This is the outside, so it has lots of space in between. It kind of makes him look like he's wearing a skirt without the color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it'll look much better when we color it.
Okay.
Now, let's draw the body. Here, I'm going to draw a curved line, like that.
Okay, curved line.
And then let's draw the paw. But we're going to draw it lower because it just takes up half of the body. Since he's just a puppy-like, he has a very small body.
Okay.
Okay, here we're going to draw a zig, like a hook, because of a bunch of fur sticking out. Most of the time it's straight, but I'm occasionally going to pop up some hairs here and there. And when you think it's long enough, you poof out.
Poof out.
For the paw.
Oh, okay.
And then poof out. I'm going to add a zig here. And don't make it as long as this one.
Okay. As is that.
Okay. And then this one we're going to just curl in here.
Okay.
Okay. And this, let's draw the toe lines here. We're going to curve. And here we're going to draw a curve.
Okay.
Well, the original toes were more complicated, but I want to make it more simple.
Okay.
Now we're drawing the other paw. Same thing. We're going to draw like a straight line with a hook. And a few more hooks if you like, to make it seem like it has a bunch of fur sticking out. And then here we're going to draw a paw that's also like this one. Try to make it the same size.
Okay. Trying. I am trying.
Yeah. Do your best, Mom. That's what counts. And go up. And then let's draw the toe lines again. What happened here?
That was an accident.
It's okay. Accidents happen. And then we're this line, we're not going to just stop there. Instead, we're going to curl up and up, right up, because, well, it's part of the shoulder and it's connecting right into the ear.
Oh, that's a body.
Yep.
Okay.
Although every part of this puppy is its body. Okay. And then we're going to draw the belly.
Okay.
More of a belly. Like here. I'm fixing up this part because it curled way too flattish.
Okay.
And then here we're going to draw it like this, curling downish, because, well, like that. And then here I can draw the back paw. We're going to draw a curved line poking with a little hook there because, well, it has a fur sticking out. And then curl, almost touching here, but don't quite touch here. Oops, I touched it. Do not learn from me.
Okay.
Okay, here we're going to curl all the way to here because we don't want to draw the full thing because part of it is hidden.
Oh, okay.
And then draw a curved line in it for the toe lines.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just draw a curve and then the paw curling a little in that position. Like that. This is going to be the other part of the leg hidden.
Oh, okay.
And then here, we're going to draw the tail. First, we're going to draw a spike going up, a spike going up, a spike going curling, spike, 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 and back in.
Okay. Then.
I'm going to draw some spikes, and then you can connect back in.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we're finished drawing Biscuit. It's time to color Biscuit. But before we do, I'm going to tell you what colors we're going to use. For the outside of the color, I'm going to color it red. For the inside of the color, this thin part, I'm going to color this reddish, brownish color.
Okay.
And for Biscuit, I'm going to color this goldenish brown and this yellow.
Okay.
I'm going to overlap the goldenish brown and the yellow to make it sort of a golden color. So the way we do it is first we color the whole thing with this brown, and then we we color it again with this yellow.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now let's start.
Okay.
Let's start with the head. I'm gonna first color his ears. Those are my cutest part on him. We finished coloring Biscuit. Our Biscuit does not exactly look like the real Biscuit. Yours, Tommy, kind of bulges out like a square like this, but mine is not perfect either, okay?
It's okay.
Mine, I had to do some fixing up, and it's kind of awkward still.
It's okay. At least we tried.
Yeah, trying is best. Both my mom and I finished drying our biscuits. Well, they didn't turn out perfect with my awkward stomach and my mom's awkward shape, but it was a good try. How do your biscuits turn out? I bet they look great, and it's okay if they don't. All you need is to practice. As I would say, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye!